Hey friends, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to upload audios on Roblox. If you have your own videos, customized audio, and you want to upload on Roblox, then you can watch the full video. So first of all, open the roblox.com. So it's not possible in a application. So just go to roblox.com, and where first of all, when you open this roblox.com, it will ask you to log in. Once you log in, just tap on three dot and enable the desktop side mode. Fine. So you can see on the right, once you enable the desktop side mode, now you can access the creator tab. Just tap on it to open. Now if you want to upload audio, you have to tap on this option, development items. Now you can see the audio option is available, and you can see that there are 5 tabs. You have to tap on the audio to upload your audio. After a new update, guys, the interface has changed, so you just have to follow all these steps and tap on audio. Now if you want to upload audio, you can upload maximum number of files, so you can upload one at a time. Fine. And the maximum size of uploading the audio is 20 MB, and the format should be MP3 and OGG. So the format should be in this. So how to upload? Just tap on upload button and choose the type. So just let it as audio. Now you have to tap on audio button, this upload up button, to upload your mp3 and choose your image, choose your audio from the device. So now you can enter you have to enter the name and the description as well. So you have to enter the description of your audio as well, and tap on audio to upload your audio. Fine. So yeah, that's how you can do it. Hope you understood. And and you have a audio limit as well, so you can upload 100 uploads per month. It means you can upload 100 audio in a month. Fine. So you can't exit this limit. So hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. And that's how you can upload. And if you have doubt, you can ask me in comment section. Till then, bye bye.